Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this Mazda BT-50 or Ford Ranger. Specifically, we're going to be changing the manifold pressure sensor. Now, super duper common issue with the Ford Ranger and the BT-50 is this map sensor starts throwing code. You get an engine light, you get poor performance, poor fuel economy, etc, etc, etc. You can Google all the symptoms, but I'm sure if you found your way to this video, you're asking, where is it and how the hell do I change it? And you're also probably asking, where do I get one from? I have the answer to all three of those questions. I'm going to show you right now. First things first, you buy it from us. I think they're $63.30 with free express post anywhere in Australia. You literally can't go wrong with that, considering a genuine Bosch one with the same warranty is $400. Check out our website. Click the title of this video. It'll pop down. There'll be a link there. You can click it and you can definitely cruise over there and have a look at all of our products. Guys, second question. Where is it? It's right here. Now you know where it is. The third question's answered itself. How do you change it? Yes, it's a Torx bit. I'll do it just to show you. You take a wild guess of what the size is. T25 is my guess. You get it right in the first go. You pull the screw out, pull the map sensor up, depress this plug, you pull it out, and you throw your Parts Factory one in there, and you start your car. You go back to work on Monday without an engine light. That's all I have to say, guys. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. I'll see you next time.